Chaga chaga choo choo. What's up, guys? aka Crazy Russian with DCC Train LLC model train store in Cincinnati, Ohio. And you can see in the corner of TV right now. Hello, hello. So I installed a TC9 camera, that train camera. The size almost like 11 millimeters in that N-scale car. All right. And now we're going to run that engine. It's a small train, couple of cars behind it. We'll see. It's not capturing sound, of course, but it's capturing decent size of the resolution, about probably close to 380. See, on that old TV it looks pretty good. That's what I can see. I will do more detailed video with different parameters, and I'll get the DCC engine for that an N-scale loop, and we'll definitely run some trains on that. That's just a short update on that project. Any questions I'll try to answer. Actually, you will see, I forgot to tell you, you will see some interference because right now it's static, but we in commercial building, sometimes when it's running, I'll we'll make the video, we'll see some interference, of course. But overall, the size of it's really cool. I know people kind of modified some phone cameras and tried to do all that stuff. I didn't see really good results so far. Tell me if you saw it. Also, you can put action camera on top of the flat car or something like this, and get some decent broadcast. But in N-scale, I'm not seeing a lot of action cameras at this point. So thanks for watching, and have a good one. Bye. Chaga chaga choo choo.